Okay, so let's try answering grade 7, quarter 3, week 5 sample test. So we have here multiple choice questions, true or false, and problem solving. So number one, which describes an integer? Okay, so an integer that is positive and negative whole numbers. Okay, so again, it's positive and negative whole numbers. Okay, so we have here A 2.5, B negative 4, C 1 half, D square root of 2. So square root of 2, that is irrational. 1 half, that is a fraction. And 2.5, that's a decimal. So our answer here will be letter B, negative 4. Okay, that is negative whole number. Next, what is the absolute value of negative 12? So when we see absolute value, that is the distance from 0. Okay, so since we have negative 12 here, so that is positive 12. Okay, so remember for our absolute value, it's like we're just making it into positive since we don't have a negative distance. 3, the opposite of negative 8 is, okay, opposite. So since this is negative, opposite of it will be positive. So we get negative 8, 8, 1, 8, and 0. Our answer will be letter B. Next, a zero pair consists of, okay, a zero pair consists of A2 positive, B2 negative, C a positive and its opposite, D two equal numbers. So our answer here will be positive and its opposite. Since when you're going to add po yung ating positive and um, opposite, the answer will be 0. So positive and its opposite. Next, find the sum of negative 6 plus negative 3. Okay, so like sign, you have to add it. Okay, and unlike signs, you have to subtract. Okay, so since we have here like signs, we have to add 6 and 3. That will be 9. And then we have to follow the sign of the bigger number. So we get negative 9, negative 3, 3, and 9. Our answer will be negative 9. Next, find the sum of 7 plus negative 4. Okay, so again, unlike sign, you have to subtract it. So from here, we get 7 plus negative 4. That will be 3. Okay, so bigger number will be positive, so our answer will be positive 3. Okay, which shows the rule of subtraction. Okay, so for our rule of subtraction, subtraction is the inverse of addition. Okay, so we have to copy, change, and flip. Okay, so we have here a minus b, that will be a plus b. That is incorrect. A minus b, that is equal to negative a minus b. So they change po yung ating sign for the first um, event. So that is wrong also. A minus b. So we get a plus negative b. Okay, this one will be correct. Okay, so copy, change, and then flip. Okay, when you say flip, change the sign of our given number. Next, moving to the right on a number line means, okay, moving to the right. Okay, so this is positive. So that is adding a positive. Going to left, that is subtracting. In negative 2 minus 2, the operation performed is sum of two positive, difference of two negatives, subtracting a positive, subtracting a negative. Okay, so this one is subtracting a positive. Next, in the integer chips model, yellow chips usually represent negative, opposite, zero pairs, or positive. Okay, so in the integer chips model, yellow chips usually represent Okay, so yellow chip usually represent our positive. Red would be negative. Okay, next, let's go with true or false. So zero pairs always cancel out the zeros. Okay, that's true. Okay, so again, zero pairs are the opposite numbers. The sum of two negative integers is negative. That is true. Okay. Adding integers with different sign depends on the absolute value. Adding integers with different signs depends on its absolute value. Okay, subtraction of integers can be written as adding the opposite. Okay, that's true. Moving left on a number line shows negative direction. That's true. Moving right on a number line shows positive direction. That's true. Okay, so again, going to the right, it's positive. Going to the left, that is negative. Opposite integers always up to 0. That's true. Integer chips may also model subtraction. That is true. The result of subtraction can be positive or negative. That is true. Subtracting a negative integer increases the value. That is false. Okay, negative. It's decreasing. Okay, next. Write the correct mathematical term. Distance from a number from 0, that is absolute value. The number being subtracted, that is subtrahend. The number from which another number is subtracted, that is minuend. Result in addition, that is sum. Result in subtraction, that is difference. Visual model showing movement left to right, that is our number line. Methods of adding integer using rule instead of chips or lines. So that is rule-based system. Process of removing positive and negative chips that cancel, that is zero pair. Direction on the number line when increasing value, right. Direction on the number line when decreasing, left. Okay, just remember going to the right positive, left will be negative. Okay, Maria begins the week with 150 pesos. She spends 40, then earns 25 pesos. What is her final amount? Okay, so beginning at 150, spend, that is negative, earn, that will be positive 25. Okay, so we get here 150 minus 40, that is 110 plus 25 pesos. We have here 135. Next, in a CPAG game, a player earns positive 2 points for a successful kick and negative 3 points for a miss. If the player performs 5 kicks and 2 misses, what is the final score? Okay, so 5 kicks and 2 misses. What is the final score? Okay, so it means the 3 kicks that he had is successful and then the other 2 is miss. Okay, so we get 3 times positive 2 plus 2 times negative 3. Okay, so 5 kicks. The other 2 misses, so that is negative 3, and then the other 3, that will be positive 2. So we got 3 times positive 2, that will be 6. 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6. So his final score will be 0. A hiker is at negative 50 meters below sea level. She climbs upward 70 meters. What is her new elevation? Okay, so at negative 50 at the starting point, then climb upward, so that will be positive 70. So negative 50 plus 70, that will be positive 20 meters. perform the multi-step operation. So we get negative 3 plus 5 minus negative 4 plus negative 6. So let's solve it from left to right. Negative 3 plus 5, that is positive 2. Two negatives, that is positive 4. Positive and negative, that is negative 6. So 2 plus 4, that is 6. Minus 6, that is equal to 0. Okay, rewrite using the adding the opposite then solve. Okay, so copy, change, then negative 9, that is 9, that will be positive. Positive 9, that will be negative 9. Okay, so negative 12 plus negative 9, that is negative 21. Here. So this is just an example of a review test for grade 7 mathematics for quarter 3, week 5. Thank you so much.